Hi, I'm Riya from Bluepixel Technologies. I have created a project on smart parking system that is very rarely implemented in the Indian market. Generally, we spend 15 to 20 minutes circling around looking for available parking spaces, which results in wasting of time and fuel, causing congestion and air pollution in urban areas. With our smart parking solution, time, fuel and money can be saved and air pollution can be reduced to a great extent. So this is where we introduced you with the automated parking allotment system.
Welcome to our demo of automatic parking allotment system with the console which manages our parking system. There are 6 sensors, 1 at entry gate and 5 in each slot. There are 2 types of indicators. First one is LED lights and the second one is LCD display for slot details. As car enters, sensor detects, gate opens, car goes in a free slot, sensor detects and will display slot availability in display. Now, another car cannot enter in the parking because there are no more free slots available. As these cars exist from the parking, now there are available slots, so another car can enter and can park. Now, during festivals, when we all go shopping, it is very difficult to park our vehicles as there is a lot of rush in such areas and we don't know where to park. And sometimes we even cancel the plan of shopping just because we couldn't find any space to park our vehicle. Sounds frustrating, doesn't it? So what's the solution for this? Simple. What if we could see the available parking slots on our phone and book it before leaving? So even if we don't see any available parking slots in the app, we can just change our time to later, like during lunchtime. So no more frustration. So this is what we will exactly implement in phase 2 of our project. We shall connect this system to our app via cloud. The application will have the features like A. It will show the availability of the parking slots in that area. B. We can book those parking slots online through the application in advance from home at our convenience. So to conclude, integrating our system with an application will make it easily accessible to everyone, and hence, using this system will reduce air pollution along with saving time, fuel and money.